We're here in the Nurture and Healthy Kids kitchen, and today we are going to make a recipe called Apricot Honey Cous Cous. Alexander, what is the most important meal of the day?
Breakfast.
You got it. So we're going to start with 2 rice cooker cups of couscous. It's really important to use the whole grain couscous so that you get all the different nutrients from the different parts of the grain. Can you take that lid off for me? Great. So we measure the rice cooker cups. We're going to put in 2. Measuring cup wise, each of the rice cooker cups are 3/4 cup. And once that's in, we're going to add a pinch of salt and a little bit of cinnamon. And you can go ahead and add the apricots now while it's cooking or right before it cooks, or you can add it after it's cooked. So what should we do? Let's put a couple in now. We can put a couple in later and then decide what we like best. Okay. So then what we do is we fill up the rice cooker bowl up to the 2 line, and I'm going to just show you there's 3 different options on this bowl. There's 1, 2, and 3. Since we did 2 rice cooker cups, you would fill it to the 2 line. And then let's pretend that there's water in there, Alexander. Let's put the lid on, and then we just flip the switch to cook, and there we go. It's going to turn off and go to warm once it's done. And what it looks like when it's done is like this. So here is the cooked couscous, and Alexander, you love couscous, don't you?
Yes, I do.
And you're going to take the spoon and you're going to just spoon this out into the bowl for me. There we go. Make sure you go all the way around the sides. There we go. Great. And we're going to be adding about 4 tablespoons of butter as we add this to the bowl. And they're just going to kind of melt in there. I'm going to give you a little hand here. Alexander, why don't you just use that knife and scoop the butter in there, and then we can mix it up and it'll get all yummy and melted. Okay. So now we're going to add the apricots. Alexander's adding the butter. We did a good job washing our hands ahead of time, right?
Mm-hmm.
And then here are some almonds. You can use blanched almonds, sliver almonds. These are roasted almonds that we just chopped up a little bit. Then we're going to add, good job. Then we're going to add a little drizzle of honey for some sweetness. And Alexander, you can start stirring it up. And then we're going to show everybody what we did, okay? What does it smell like? What do you think?
It smells good.
Great. All right. Delicious. Can't wait. This is Apricot Honey Cous Cous. You can find this recipe and more on our website at www.nurtureyourfamily.org.